Bookmaking from the 5th of the 7th month of 1446. Written tradition doesn't have to change the messages. Translation can convey what is apparent and the use of the sages. Revelation is a way of sight and sound for the ages. The acausal does things its way for every people and language. Corruption can be avoided by staying from the mundane indoctrination. Reminders are formed which must be built up for preservation. Conflict doesn't have to exist like it does in other paths with early fragmentation. The perfect does exist for us to constrict to and live a way of expansion.